In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Steam Workshop content step by step so you can get mods, items, and community-made content into your games quickly and easily. Whether you're new to Steam or you've never used the workshop before, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know in a simple, beginner-friendly way. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software and gaming guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer and head over to the Steam Community tab. From there, click on Workshop. You can also open a game from your Steam library and look for the Workshop link on that game's page. Both methods will take you to the same place, so use whichever is easiest for you. Once you're inside the Workshop, the next step is finding the content you want to download. You can use the search bar at the top if you already know the name of the mod, map, scene, tool, or item you're looking for. If you're just browsing, you can also use the category filters to narrow things down and explore popular, recent, or top-rated content. This is a great way to discover useful workshop items that other players are recommending. After you find the item you want, click on it to open the page and take a quick look at the details. Make sure it's for the correct game and that it's the right version or type of content for what you need. When you're ready, look for the green subscribe button and click it. That subscribe button is what tells Steam to start downloading the workshop content to your account. In most cases, Steam will automatically begin the download right after you subscribe. You do not usually need to manually install anything, which is one of the biggest advantages of using workshop content. To check the download status, open your Steam Downloads queue. You should see the file downloading there, and depending on the size of the item, it may only take a few moments or it may take a little longer. Once the download is complete, the content is usually ready to use. For many games, the workshop content will load automatically the next time you launch the game. That means you can simply start playing and the mod or item will already be available. However, some games work a little differently. In those cases, you may need to go into the game's mods, add-ons, or extras menu and manually enable the content before it appears in-game. So if you don't see it right away, don't panic. Just check the game's settings or workshop instructions because some creators include extra steps to activate their content. And that's really all there is to it. Once you know how to find the workshop page, subscribe to content, and check your downloads, downloading Steam Workshop items becomes very fast and easy. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.